In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Outlook with ClickUp. By the end, you'll have email and calendar workflows flowing smoothly between the two, so you can capture tasks from your inbox and keep schedules aligned without manual copying. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Once you are in, look to the top or bottom corner of the screen for your workspace avatar. Click it, choose Settings, and then open the App Center. This is the hub where ClickUp connects with other tools. In the search bar, type Outlook. You'll see options for Outlook Email and Outlook Calendar. Outlook Email is perfect if you want to turn emails into tasks, attach messages, and keep context from conversations. Outlook Calendar is geared toward syncing tasks and due dates with your Microsoft Calendar, so your schedule stays consistent. Pick the one that fits your workflow if you use both email and calendar extensively. You can set up each one. Click Configure on the integration you want. Then click Connect. Sign in with your Microsoft credentials in the window that appears. Make sure you are using the correct Microsoft account for your work. And keep the browser window open while the connection completes. When prompted, grant the requested permissions. These allow ClickUp to read the necessary data and write updates back, which is what enables reliable synchronization. If your organization manages permissions centrally, you might see a note about admin approval. Simply follow your normal process. Next, switch to Outlook. Open the Get Add, Ins or Store menu, depending on whether you are on the desktop app or the web version. Search for ClickUp for Outlook and install it. After installation, open any email and look for the ClickUp icon in the message toolbar or side panel. Click it and sign in to your ClickUp workspace so Outlook can connect to the right place. Now you can create tasks directly from emails. The email subject becomes the task title, and the body can be included as the task description for quick context. Choose the list where the task should live, set a due date to keep it on schedule, and add attachments from the email if they're relevant. Assign it to the right person and adjust priority if needed. This keeps important details tied to the original message, while your team manages the work from ClickUp. It's a great habit to refine the task title and due date before saving, so the task is immediately actionable. That's it. Your ClickUp and Outlook are connected for a smoother, more organized workflow. Thanks for watching.